why did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bring halal consumption together with good deeds? What is the connection? The connection is great. That when a person will consume halal and pure, he will be able to do good deeds. It starts all from our consumption. It becomes part of our DNA. It becomes part of our bodies. So outwardly it will look exactly the same. A halal chicken, a haram chicken. It will look exactly the same. Halal meat, haram meat will look the same. But the effects of it will be different. Sahal bin Sa'd Tashtari rahmatullah alayh. Imam Ghazali makes mention of this in Ihya al-Ulum. He says that a person who consumes halal, a person who consumes haram, alima am lam ya'lam, asad jawarihuhu sha'a am lam yasha. A person who consumes haram, whether he knows it or not, by mistake he ate something that which is haram, or purposefully he ate something that which is haram, asad jawarihuhu, the immediate effect will be that his limbs will start disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. His limbs will start doing those deeds which are not commanded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which are in the disobedience of Allah. Sha'a am lam yasha, whether he wishes or not, whether he makes the intention to do that bad deed or not, automatically it will take him on that road. This is the effect of haram consumption. What is the effect of halal consumption? The opposite. A person who consumes halal, many a times even if he makes an intention to do a evil deed, a bad deed, that halal will stop him. That is why Sahaba radiallahu anhum, they were very particular to make sure that what they were consuming was halal.